Hello everyone. In this experiment, we are going to investigate two reversible reactions. So you know that some reactions can go both ways. Reactants go to form products and products go to form reactants, and these reactions are called reversible reactions. So in this experiment, we are going to put 15 drops of aqueous copper 2 sulfate into a test tube and then add 2 drops of ammonia solution first. Carefully shake the test tube. So you can see a light blue precipitate is being formed. Now we add another 3 drops of ammonia solution with shaking. Stop when there is no further change. You can see a deep blue solution is being formed. So the blue precipitate, light blue precipitate has dissolved in the excess ammonia that we have added and become a dark blue solution. Now add dilute sulfuric acid, shaking the test tube. Count the number of drops needed to reverse the change in the previous 2 steps. So add 1, 2, 3 drops of dilute sulfuric acid, and you can see that the deep blue solution turns light blue precipitate again. Adding a few more drops of dilute sulfuric acid. And shaking well. You can see the blue precipitate has dissolved and you are getting the initial light blue solution that you had started with. So this is an example of a reversible reaction. You got to say why the reaction was reversible and how could you repeat the forward reaction. In another set of experiment, we are going to add 1 spatula measure of blue copper 2 sulfate crystal to a test tube. Heat the bottom of the test tube gently with a small Bunsen flame while holding the test tube near its mouth using a test tube holder. Leave the test tube to heat in a tilted position and you can see the water vapor formed and getting evolved. The blue color is fading away and turning into a white powder. So as you heat the copper 2 sulfate crystals, you can see that the water vapor is getting evolved and a white powder is remaining in the test tube. Allow the test tube to cool for some time and then put a thermometer into the test tube. Measure the initial temperature and add water. You can see the color change. The white powder is become blue again, and if you closely observe the thermometer readings, you'll find that as you continue stirring, the temperature rises. So this is an exothermic reaction, adding water to anhydrous copper 2 sulfate to get the hydrated copper 2 sulfate. And it is the reverse reaction of heating the hydrated copper 2 sulfate. So you can see that the two reactions that we carried out are reversible reactions, and you got to identify which is a forward reaction and which is a backward reaction. Does the backward reaction give out heat or take in heat? Till it is white. I hope you enjoyed doing this experiment and investigate into the reversible reactions. Hope you found value. Please give me a thumbs up if this experiment was useful to you. Thank you.